Hey guys, welcome back to another video for Appier Solutions, guys. And in this video, guys, I'm going to be explaining or talking about how to see private account photos on Instagram. So whether it is just you want to see posts on Instagram, people's private posts, or for example, this guy has a private account and you want to see what posts he has. Look, he has 10 posts. Maybe you want to see his stories. Okay, people post stories, photos. You can see all those. How do you actually see them? Now, for example, let's look for a private account actually. Okay, I'm gonna look for a private account. Let's see, is this person's account private? Okay, this person has a private account and they have like about 11 posts. Now I know there are many videos you've seen that do things like, you come here, they tell you to come and type private Instagram viewer, and you search for it and you download apps, which actually, guys, many of these apps are just bloatware. They give you ads as well, and they're malware. Basically, they're not good for your phone at all. Okay, many YouTubers come and tell you to download these things. They're not good for your phone. They can lead to viruses and things like that. Other people suggest you to come and come to Google and search private Instagram viewer. Okay, there are many websites like this. All right, look, they don't really work. You can paste the URL here. If I come and paste this URL, J Ponciano. Okay, J Ponciano. I put this username. Okay, let me show you. Ponciano. It doesn't really work. Okay, look, it's not gonna work. Watch. It has a free daily limit apparently, but it's not really gonna work. We're gonna see just now that it doesn't actually work. All they're gonna do is basically be showing you ads and stuff like that. So let's see. They're trying to see. Let me make sure I put the name correctly. Yeah, I did put the name correctly, guys. Okay, see, it doesn't really work. It just come to get you in these websites for ads. Ponciano. Yeah, we put the name correctly, guys. And see, it doesn't work. This profile is private and is not available in viewer, you see? So what was the point anyways? So it doesn't really work, guys. All these things. The only way, guys, is to actually just create another account, make a new account. For example, here, even this Reddit post is talking about this. All you want to do is create a new account, and then look here. So just make a new account and just put a few photos. Act like you're someone else. A different account, and just follow them and hope they accept your friend request, and you can actually view their photos that way. Like, you can't actually do this through some third party thing. Instagram is too secure for that, guys. You will need to either create a new account, that's the only choice, or just follow from your actual account. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. If this video helps and you appreciate the honesty, guys, make sure you subscribe to Appier Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.